Higher extension, press pause and attempt the prerequisite knowledge task, then press play and I will go through the task with you. Higher extension composite functions. You are given that A is equal to 2c. Find the perimeter of the triangle shown below. Give your answer in terms of c. Now to get the perimeter, which is what it asks for, I'm just going to add these together. So 4a plus 4a plus 5a, that gives me 13a. Seems a bit easy. Let's just read the question. Have I done it correctly? Well, it says give your answer in terms of C, and currently our answer is in terms of A. I notice that A is equal to 2C. So it means where I have A, I can replace that with 2C. I've still got the 13, and multiply that together, and that gives me my answer of 26C. Now we need this skill for composite functions, and essentially what we're going to do is replace one algebraic term with another, and we can see that on the next slide. Press pause and try the example questions, then press play and I will answer the examples with you. Functions f and g are given such that f of x equals x squared plus 4 and g of x equals x plus 3. Find f of g of x. So what I'm doing here is substituting the function of g into the function of f. Going from left to right, I see the f first, so what I'm going to do is write that down. And instead of that x, I'm going to replace that with g. I'm going to substitute that in. Now it's quite often handy to place these in a bracket, so let's do that. So I've got 3x all squared plus 4. Now when I'm squaring, I'm not just doing the x, I'm doing the 3 as well. And if it's just sort of right to the side, I'm thinking of 3x times 3x, timesing by itself. 3 times 3 is 9, x times x is x squared. So that's going to give me 9x squared plus the 4. And that will be my final answer. Question 2, we have g of f of x. So we'll write, first thing I see is the g, so let's write that out. Now I'm going to replace that x with my function of f. Again, place that in a bracket. So we've got 3 bracket. Let's use the same colour so it's really clear for you. X squared plus 4. And now I can multiply that out. 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times 4 is 12, and that's both positive. And that's complete. Question 3, we've now got to substitute that minus 3 into my function of f twice. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's write out my expression first of all. I've got x squared plus 4, and instead of the x, I'm going to replace that with minus 3. Place that in a bracket. So minus 3 times minus 3 is 9, positive 9, 2 negatives give me a plus. Plus 4 is 13. Now I need to replace that in again because I'm not doing it once, I'm doing it having a second iteration. So instead of x, I'm going to replace that with this 13. So I've got 13 squared plus 4. So that's 169 plus 4 is 173. And that's complete. Press pause and then complete the independent work. Then press play and I will reveal the answers.